Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Class. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to be here with you today.
Hello. We are super happy you're here with us. How are you all doing today?
I hope you're having an amazing day. You know what? I had such a great morning today. I woke up feeling so energized and positive.
That's wonderful, Marco. I can feel your energy. And you know what? Me too. Today just started perfectly. The sun was shining, the birds were singing.
Oh, Erica, you sound like you're in a movie.
Maybe I am. But seriously, I love days like this. And speaking of mornings and days, that's exactly what we want to talk about today.
Yes! Today we're going to share our daily routines with you. Everything we do from morning until night.
And we want to hear about your routines too. So here's a question for you. And please think about this while you listen. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Ooh, great question. We'll talk about that more later. But first, before we dive into our day, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes. If you're enjoying this podcast, please give us a big thumbs up. Click that like button.
It really helps us so much. And if you're new here, welcome to the Easy English Class family.
We're so happy you found us. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any episodes.
And hey, if you have a friend who's learning English, share this with them. Learning together is so much more fun.
Absolutely. Okay, let's talk about our daily lives. Marco, let's start from the very beginning. The morning.
Oh no, not the morning.
Wait, what? You don't like mornings?
Erica, I have to be honest with you. I am not a morning person, not even a little bit.
Really? But you seemed so energized today.
That's because I had 3 cups of coffee.
Oh, Marco. So tell me, what happens when your alarm goes off in the morning?
Okay, so my alarm rings. Beep, beep, beep. And I hear it, right? But my brain says, no, thank you, not today.
Oh my goodness. So what do you do?
I reach out my hand, my eyes are still closed, and I press the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes, I think.
Just 5 minutes?
Well, that's what I tell myself. But then 5 minutes pass, and the alarm rings again, and I press snooze again.
Marco, how many times do you press snooze?
Um, maybe 3 times? Sometimes 4?
4 times. That's 20 more minutes.
I know, it's terrible. And then suddenly I look at the clock and I think, oh no, I'm really late now. And I jump out of bed like a superhero.
I can just picture that. You know, my morning is so different.
Tell me, I want to hear about the perfect morning routine.
Well, I don't know if it's perfect, but I actually love mornings. I wake up naturally, usually before my alarm even rings.
What? How is that possible?
I don't know. My body just knows it's time to wake up. The sun comes through my window, and I open my eyes, and I feel happy.
Wow, Erica, you really are a morning person. What's the first thing you do?
I stay in bed for just a minute or two. I stretch my arms like this, and I think about the day ahead. It's a very peaceful moment.
That sounds so calm. For me, there's no peace. I run to the bathroom, I run to the kitchen.
Are you running?
It feels like a race. Every morning is a race against time. And the most important thing, the thing I absolutely must do, is make coffee.
Oh, yes, coffee. I love coffee too. It's like the best part of the morning.
Exactly. How do you drink your coffee, Erica?
I like my coffee with a little bit of milk and just a tiny bit of sugar. It makes it smooth and sweet. What about you?
I drink my coffee black, strong and black. No milk, no sugar, nothing. Just pure coffee energy.
Wow, That's very strong. But I understand. You need that energy because you pressed snooze 4 times.
Yes, exactly. And here's a question for you, our listeners. How do you drink your coffee, or do you prefer tea? Let us know in the comments. We're so curious.
Yes, we love hearing from you. Okay, so after coffee, let's talk about breakfast. Marco, what do you eat?
Breakfast. Well, I'm usually in a hurry, remember? So I eat something very quick, usually toast with butter, or sometimes I just grab a banana and I eat it while I'm getting dressed.
You eat while you're getting dressed? Oh, Marco,
I told you, I'm always late. What do you eat for breakfast?
I like to sit down and eat properly. I usually make scrambled eggs with some vegetables, or I have yogurt with granola and fresh fruit.
That sounds delicious. And it sounds like it takes a lot of time.
Not really. Maybe 15 minutes? But it's important to me. I like to start the day with good food and a calm mind.
You're making me feel bad about my banana breakfast.
No, everyone's routine is different. That's what makes it interesting. Now, after breakfast, we need to get ready for work, right?
Yes, I take a shower, a very quick shower because, again, I'm running late.
I take a shower too, but I like my showers long and hot. It's like meditation for me.
Meditation in the shower?
Yes, I just stand under the water and I relax. Sometimes I sing.
You sing in the shower? What do you sing?
Whatever song is in my head. Sometimes pop songs, sometimes just random melodies.
I love that. Okay, so after the shower, the next challenge is choosing clothes.
Oh my goodness, yes. This is so difficult for me.
Really? You too?
Yes. I open my closet and I have so many clothes dresses, pants, shirts, sweaters. But every morning I think, I have nothing to wear.
How is that possible? You just said you have so many clothes.
I don't know. It's crazy. It takes me maybe 10 minutes just to choose an outfit.
For me, it's easier. I wear jeans and a shirt, any color blue, white, black, green. I don't think too much about it.
That's smart. Maybe I should simplify my wardrobe.
Maybe. Okay, so we're dressed, we're ready, and now we need to go to work. How do you get to work, Erica?
I drive my car. But oh, the traffic. Marco, the traffic is terrible.
I know. In the morning, everyone is going to work at the same time.
Exactly. So many cars. Stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. It takes me maybe 40 minutes to get to work, but without traffic, it should only take 20 minutes.
That's frustrating. Do you listen to anything while you drive?
Yes, I listen to music or sometimes podcasts. It makes the time go faster. What about you? Do you drive?
No, I take the subway, the metro.
Is it crowded?
Oh, very crowded, especially in the morning. So many people, everyone pushing, trying to get on the train.
That doesn't sound fun.
It's not. But I put in my earphones and I listen to music. I close my eyes and I pretend I'm somewhere else.
That's a good strategy. Okay, so we arrive at work. What's your workday like?
My workday is busy. I sit at my desk, I turn on my computer, and suddenly, boom, so many emails.
Oh, I know. The emails never stop.
Never. I read emails, I answer emails, I send emails. Sometimes I think, is my job just emails?
I feel the same way. And then meetings, right?
Yes, meetings. Some days I have 3 or 4 meetings. We talk about projects, we discuss ideas, we make plans.
Do you like meetings?
Some meetings are interesting, but some meetings, I think, this could have been an email.
That's so true. Okay, let's talk about the best part of the workday.
Lunchtime.
Yes, lunch. What do you do for lunch, Marco?
I usually go out with my coworkers. There's a nice cafe near our office. We buy sandwiches or salads.
That's nice. It's good to take a break and socialize.
Yes, it's important to get out of the office, walk a little bit, talk to people about things that are not work.
I agree. I usually bring lunch from home. I prepare it the night before.
Wow, you're so organized.
I try. It saves money, and I know exactly what I'm eating. Usually a salad or leftovers from dinner.
That's very smart. And then after lunch, back to work.
Yes. But Marco, can I tell you a secret?
Of course.
After lunch, around 2 or 3 p.m., I get very sleepy.
Me too. My eyes feel so heavy.
Exactly. I want to put my head on my desk and take a nap.
Ha 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 ha. But we can't do that.
No. So what do you do to stay awake?
I drink more coffee. My second or third cup of the day.
I drink tea. Green tea gives me a little bit of energy, but not too much.
Smart choice. And I also eat a snack. Maybe some nuts or a piece of chocolate.
Chocolate is good for energy. Okay, so finally, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock p.m. comes and work is finished.
The best moment of the day.
Time to go home. And the traffic again for me.
And the crowded subway for me. But it's okay because I'm going home.
Yes, home is the best place. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
I open the door, I drop my bag on the floor, I take off my shoes, and I just breathe.
Yes, that feeling of being home.
Exactly. And then I change my clothes immediately. I take off my work clothes and I put on comfortable clothes, sweatpants, and a t shirt.
Me too. Comfortable clothes are so important. I can't relax in work clothes.
Same, and then dinner time. Do you cook dinner, Erica?
Most nights, yes. I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing for me. I put on some music. I chop vegetables. I try new recipes.
You make it sound so nice. For me, cooking is stressful.
Why stressful?
I'm not a good cook. I always burn things or I forget things.
Oh no. So what do you eat?
I cook simple things, pasta with tomato sauce, or I make a stir fry with vegetables and rice. Things that are hard to ruin.
That's still good. Simple food can be delicious.
And sometimes, when I'm too tired, I order food, pizza or Chinese food.
Nothing wrong with that. Everyone needs a break sometimes.
Exactly. So, after dinner, what do you do?
I clean the kitchen first. I wash the dishes. I wipe the counters. I like to have a clean kitchen.
You're very disciplined.
Maybe. And then I relax. I sit on my couch and I watch TV or read a book.
What kind of shows do you watch?
I like comedies. Something funny to make me laugh after a long day. Or sometimes I watch documentaries about nature or travel.
I love nature documentaries. They're so beautiful and calming.
Yes. What about you? What do you do in the evening?
I also watch TV. I like action movies or series with good stories. And I spend time on my phone, checking social media, reading news.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes. I like to read for maybe 20 or 30 minutes. It helps me relax.
That's great. So what time do you usually go to bed?
Well, I should go to bed at 10 or 10:30, but usually I stay up until 11 or even midnight.
Midnight. Marco, that's why you're so tired in the morning.
I know, I know. I always say, tonight I'll sleep early, but then I watch one more episode or I read one more chapter.
We all do that. I try to go to bed by 10 p.m. because I wake up early.
You're very good. What's your bedtime routine?
I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I put on my pajamas, and then I read in bed for about 15 minutes. Usually, I fall asleep very quickly.
That sounds perfect. My routine is similar: brush teeth, pajamas, and then I set my alarm for the next morning.
The alarm that you will press snooze on 4 times.
Yes, probably. But you know what? Even though I'm not a morning person, I still love my routine.
Me too. I love my routine. It makes me feel comfortable and safe.
Exactly. And that's the beautiful thing about routines. Everyone's routine is different, but it's special to each person.
So true. And now we want to ask you, our listeners, what's your daily routine like?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Are you a morning person like Erica or a night person like me?
Do you cook dinner or do you order food?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
We want to know everything. Share your routine with us.
Marco, we love reading your comments. It's like having a conversation with friends from all around the world.
Absolutely. And that's all we have time for today.
Wow, we talked so much about our daily lives.
We did. Thank you so much for listening to us today.
Thank you. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy English Class, and share it with your friends.
Yes, sharing is caring. Ha 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 ha. I love that saying. Okay, everyone, take care. See you in the next episode.
Bye bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.